Hello! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I 100% can't see you because I don't have my contacts on or glasses. I want to show you guys my shirt. It says turn because I'm turned off life. The reason why we're here is because I'm showing you guys my wash and go routine since cutting my hair. My TWA wash and go routine, short natural hair, got the baby hairs coming through, you know, and it's using a $1 gel. $1. LA Looks Extreme Sport gel for $1 from Dollar Tree, from the dollar store, and it works great. Works great with the Cantu that I'm going to use and show you in the video, which is crazy because I can hardly find gels that work well with this cream. So if you keep on watching, I'll show you the magic that is my wash and go. You guys, I just filmed the first half of this video without turning my mic on, so I already put my leave-in and everything in, and that kind of sucks, but that's okay. I'm just gonna go over it. I'm gonna start all over, and I'm gonna be okay. Out of the shower, the products that I use for shampoo and conditioner is the Shea Moisture, Manuka Honey, and Mafura Oil Intense Hydration Shampoo. This works pretty good. I'm not really stuck on any shampoos or conditioners. Pretty much anyone will work for me. I prefer ones without sulfates. It was around $13. The conditioner that I use is the Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco Conditioner, OGX. This was around, I think I bought this in the store for $7. It's usually much smaller, but I caught a deal and got the one that's 50% more. Stars of the show are the styling products, of course. The styling product, or the leave-in conditioner, is a Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. This is all over the natural hair community for YouTubers. It's really great, it's inexpensive. I know that you can buy it in the store for probably around $7 at like CVS or Walgreens. And then this is a new product that I've been using. This is the LA Looks Extreme Sport Gel. This was $8. I bought it at Dollar Tree. It was a random buy. I needed a gel because I was away from my house. I was at my boyfriend's house and I needed a gel. And I picked this up and it worked pretty good. So I kind of tested these two together on my hand before this because I've never used this together. I've only used this alone and it works pretty well. But I could tell it needed a leave-in conditioner to really get a decent wash and go going. So I tested this out on my hand. This is a trick. If you want to know if products will work well together, just put the two products or however many products together in your hand, rub it in, and if it clumps and it has like white balls and it's just really sticky and not a good consistency, it's not going to work in your hair. It's going to be flaky and you'll see the white balls all over your head. If not, meaning if it works, it will basically be smooth. You won't see any white clumps. It'll be a nice consistency. You can go ahead and put that in your hair. So as I mentioned, I filmed this before just now and my mic wasn't on, so I already put the Cantu in my hair. I've already kind of put that in, and it's a pretty thick consistency. Like, it takes a moment. Like, I'll show you. It's been in my hair for maybe like a minute and a half, but it takes a moment to really dissolve into your hair. It's very thick and you can kind of see the white consistency in there. Now I'm going to use the gel, and I don't use any combs. The only thing that I use as like a tool is a toothbrush, and that's only basically to do my baby hairs because I haven't found, or obviously you can't do your baby hairs with your fingers. You can, but it doesn't work well for me, so I don't do that. So I used to part my hair with a comb, but I kind of just massage my hair in the direction I want it to go, and it creates like this little mini part right here. So I kind of just stick with that. Just rake it through, rake it through, rake it through. For the side, I kind of just pat them down a little bit. And in the back of my hair, I kind of just like smooth it down. Like my hair is growing, so the curls are sticking up, but I'm going to take a brush, and if I put enough gel, it will lay down. To define the curls, I literally just like take my fingers and twirl them, like finger coiling, basically. So I'll move in so you can see. Really easy, but on the top, I want the curls to be popping, basically. I use the brush to kind of just brush down the back. Just like the middle, like not all the way up, just like up to here. But yeah, I need a shape up. I know that I need a shape up in the back. I'm gonna ask my uncle to do that for me tonight because my hair is growing and I have a, I guess you could say I have a hairy neck. Looking a little wild back there. In the back of my head, it's not going to lay down completely right away. When it dries, it kind of just turns into like these waves. I like this gel because it has good hold, but it's not like super hard. And like it doesn't have, for me at least, it doesn't have like a gel cast like when I use Eco Styler, or I have used the Cantu, I think it's curling souffle, or like their version of a gel. And that's what I usually use, and I like it, but I wanted something that's not as crunchy and dry. I don't know how I feel about it for laying down your edges. I usually do that with my olive oil Eco Styler gel, but it's not bad. It's not bad. So I'm putting a decent amount, like a lot basically. It looks like a lot because it is a lot. Because I just really need my edges to lay down. So I'm not perfect at doing baby hairs, but I think that I'm okay. I don't think I'm qualified yet to give you guys like a full baby hair tutorial per se, but as I get better, I definitely can do that for you. Like I said, I think that this gel is more of like a soft hold, so I don't know how well it does okay for holding it, but if you want your baby hairs to stay in place and be super flat like the whole day, I don't know if this is for you, but it's definitely good for my hair. I kind of like it because I don't like for my edges to be too flat to my head. You know, I want it to be just like a little bit lifted and natural looking, I guess. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, it's kind of curling up here, which is fine, it doesn't look bad. But if I use my Eco Styler gel, it would definitely be laying down a lot better. And this is my first time using it, like I said, with the Cantu. So if this works out well, this is like a gold mine. Can you imagine only paying $1 for gel? I could go to Dollar Tree and buy like 10 of these for $10 and have a bunch of gel. usually do while this dries is I'll tie it down with a scarf, but not super tight, because I don't want my curls to be like flat to my head. I just want basically the baby hairs to lay down more flat, if you get what I'm saying. Like, I don't want it to be super frizzy at the edges. If I wanted to, like if I was actually going out, I probably would use my Eco Styler gel, the olive oil one. Stick up a little bit. Yeah, the olive oil one. But if you want more softer looking, fluffier edges, I would say the LA Looks does a good job with that. But I feel like it may get frizzy, or it may not stay as well as if you used a different gel like the Eco Styler. So I'm just gonna take my scarf and I'm going to very lightly take it over my head, poke my ears out, and tie it just like this. And I'm gonna double tie it only because I don't want it to come off my head, but it's not really tight. The tightest part of it is just like here. I'll basically sit with the scarf on for, I'd say like 15 minutes, 15-20 minutes. I know it can't like completely dry with the scarf on, it needs like air, but I feel like the scarf lays down my edges. And usually when I'll do this, like if I'm going out, I'll do my makeup, and then when I'm done with my makeup, I take it off. So I'll come back in a little bit when it's been under the scarf. When it's been under the scarf for about 15 minutes, and then I'll fluff it out and show you the results. I'm back. It's been about 15 minutes. I'm hot. I want to take the scarf off, so let's take the scarf off and see what we're working with. Ooh, you see that? Little hair, a little alfalfa hair, Lord have mercy. Honestly, I think that piece just needs some more gel. But like I said, this has good hold, but it's not super hard, you know, gel cast hold. So there may be little hairs here and there that need a little bit more help to stay in place, especially if you have really curly hair. But overall, I feel like this is a really good gel. I'm glad that I found it. I'm glad that I found something that doesn't make my hair super hard and just crusty and dry. And I hate that. So I really like this gel. It's only $1. I'm definitely going back to Dollar Tree to buy some more. I checked and they do have it on Amazon, but it's definitely not $1 on Amazon. Like, you basically either have to pay, I think it's probably, I don't know, you can buy it in bulk, I think. Actually, I'm not gonna guess. I'm gonna look it up for you right now because that's how much I care about you guys. One minute. Here, I think I'll put a screenshot here of it. You can get a pack of 3 LA Looks Extreme Gel, 20 ounces each. This is not the 20 ounce, this is 8 ounces. So 20 ounces is way bigger. What's this? Something to reference to. This is about almost 20 ounces. This is 19.5 ounces. So imagine 3 of these worth of gel, and you can get it for $14.25. So you're gonna get 60 ounces of gel for $14.25. Or if you live near a Dollar Tree, or I think they sell them at Walmart, you could just buy a bunch of these. These are 8 ounces. So whichever is easier for you, but they do have it on Amazon, $14.25 for a pack of 3. You can get an add-on item, which is, it's $3.88 for 2 of those. $9.83. They have a lot of options in different sizes, but it's still relatively cheap. Whether you do it that way, that cheap, 3 20-ounce bottles for $14.25, or $1 at Dollar Tree. It's a great move. I'll give you another look. There's shine, there's hold. It's a softer hold, like as far as just like not being super crunchy, but it's not frizzy. It's not frizzy. I can touch it, I can move it. It's not super hard. I'll give you the back. The back, it's not finished drying, but this is basically what it's gonna look like when it's dry. I've tested it, I know what it looks like when it's dry. It basically looks exactly like this. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I told you I'd be trying to make these videos. I hope you enjoyed this wash and go. I hope you enjoyed this little, me shouting out this gel, this $1 gel. I'm trying to give you guys cheap alternatives to more expensive things. Hopefully it wasn't too long for you, but I wanted to get really in-depth. I don't know what that means. Yeah, let me know any suggestions of anything else you want to see, any more hair videos. I mean, I don't have that much hair, so I don't know how much I can really do, but I am probably gonna start getting into wigs. I just ordered a pink Amazon wig, a rose gold kind of pinkish Amazon wig, so I'll probably do a review on that and like a little video of me doing it. Look out for some vlogs. I'm going to Panorama Music Festival this Friday. I'm gonna vlog that, hopefully. Videos are coming, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.